Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel SRK Pune Academy, whose tagline is Made Simple. In our world-class manufacturing system, today we will study topic number 11, that is 7 QC tools. In world-class manufacturing system, till now we have completed 10 topics, whose video are available on our channel. In the upcoming videos, we will complete all the remaining topics, so please stay with the channel. Subscribe to the channel and watch the video till the end so that you will become an expert in world-class manufacturing system. In this session, we'll explore how these simple yet powerful tools help industries solve problems, improve quality, and achieve world-class excellence. Quality is at the heart of world-class manufacturing, or WCM. To achieve zero defects and zero losses, organizations rely on proven methods of analysis and problem solving. The 7 QC tools are widely used because they are easy to understand, highly visual, and extremely effective. They help teams identify problems, analyze data, and develop solutions that lead to continuous improvement. The 7 QC tools include 1. The check sheet. 2. The histogram. 3. The Pareto Chart. 4. The Kaizen effect diagram, also known as the Fishbone Diagram. 5. The scatter diagram. 6. The control chart. And 7. The flow chart. Each of these tools plays a unique role in problem solving, and together they form the backbone of quality improvement in WCM. The first QC tool, check sheet, is a simple but powerful tool used for data collection. It is designed to record the frequency of events or problems as they occur. For example, a check sheet can be used to count the number of defects observed in each production shift. Once data is collected, it becomes easier to spot patterns and identify recurring issues. This is often the first step in any quality improvement initiative. The second QC tool, histogram, is a graphical representation that shows the distribution of data. It allows us to see how often certain values occur within a range. For example, if we measure the dimensions of a component, a histogram can show whether most parts fall within specifications or if there is excessive variation. By looking at the shape of the histogram, we can detect process problems and opportunities for improvement. The third QC tool, Pareto Chart, is based on the famous 80-20 principle. It shows that about 80% of problems are usually caused by 20% of the factors. This chart arranges problems in descending order of frequency or impact, helping us focus on the vital few issues rather than the trivial many. For example, if rework is caused by 10 different types of defects, the Pareto chart may reveal that only 2 or 3 of those defects account for the majority of rework. This prioritization ensures that resources are spent where they matter most. The fourth QC tool, Kaizen effect diagram, also known as the Ishikawa or Fishbone Diagram, is a structured way of identifying root causes. It visually organizes possible causes into categories such as man, machine, method, material, measurement, and environment. For example, if a machine has frequent breakdowns, the diagram can help the team brainstorm and categorize possible reasons, leading to more effective problem solving. It's an essential tool for digging deeper into the reasons behind recurring problems. The fifth QC tool, scatter diagram, plots data points to show the relationship between two variables. This helps determine if there is a correlation. For example, we may want to know if higher operating temperatures are linked to increased defect rates. A scatter diagram can reveal a positive correlation, a negative correlation, or no correlation at all. This tool is valuable when testing hypotheses and identifying Kaizen effect relationships. The sixth QC tool, control chart, is a statistical tool used to monitor process stability over time. It features a central line representing the average and upper and lower control limits that define the expected range of variation. If data points fall within these limits, the process is considered stable. If they move outside the limits or show unusual patterns, it signals that corrective action is needed. For example, Monitoring the defect rate over several weeks can show whether a process is improving, stable, or deteriorating. The 7th QC tool flowchart is a visual map of a process. It outlines each step from start to finish, helping us understand the workflow. By analyzing a flowchart, we can identify bottlenecks, redundancies, or unnecessary steps. This makes it easier to streamline processes and standardize best practices. For example, mapping out the flow of materials in a factory can highlight inefficiencies that may otherwise go unnoticed. The 7 QC tools play a vital role in world-class manufacturing. They provide a structured, fact-based way to analyze problems and make decisions. Instead of relying on assumptions or guesswork, WCM uses these tools to solve problems at the root cause level. This ensures higher quality, greater reliability, and better efficiency across all processes. They also support WCM pillars such as quality, cost deployment, and safety. When applied consistently, the 7 QC tools bring many benefits. They improve product quality, reduce defects, and minimize rework. They save time and cost by targeting the most critical issues. These tools also empower employees by giving them practical methods for solving problems. Finally, they build a culture of continuous improvement where decisions are based on facts and data rather than opinions. Let's look at a practical example. A factory was experiencing a high rejection rate in its assembly line. The team first used a check sheet to collect data on defects. Next, they created a Pareto chart, which showed that just 3 defect types were responsible for most of the rejections. Then, they applied a Fishbone Diagram to find root causes, discovering that operator errors and worn-out tools were the main reasons. After corrective actions were taken, the rejection rate dropped by 40%. This example shows how the 7 QC tools work together to deliver real results. Of course, implementing these tools is not without challenges. Some employees may resist data collection, seeing it as extra work. Others may lack training and misinterpret the results. In some cases, management may not fully support the use of QC tools, limiting their impact. To overcome these barriers, organizations must invest in proper training, create a supportive culture, and ensure that improvements are recognized and rewarded. In conclusion, the 7 QC tools are the foundation of quality control in world-class manufacturing. They provide simple, visual, and effective ways to solve problems and drive continuous improvement. By using these tools, organizations can achieve zero defects, reduce costs, and build a culture of excellence. Together, the 7 QC tools are not just problem-solving methods, they are stepping stones toward becoming truly world-class. Thank you for watching and understanding presentation. To get such important presentations, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Do comment and let us know how you like this video. Our next video will be on Six Sigma. Thank you very much.